In this video, I'll be showing you how to enter first prestige mode in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 and acquire an unlocked token. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now all you got to do is go over to your career tab like so. You're going to see a lot of different options, but from here all you want to do is go to progression, which is the first one. You can view level unlocks, see what you can get. But then you're going to see prestige. Now it's going to say enter prestige 1, but you're only going to be able to do this whenever you are level 55 on your account. So right now I'm level 32, so I'm kind of close to 55 but not super close. Once you hit level 55, you're going to be able to enter prestige 1. You're going to get an operator like that. It's going to show you all the different icons for prestige. So if I'm prestige 6, this is what it's going to look like. You get different little rewards and stuff for hitting different prestiges, which I think is honestly really cool. They could be wraps or different operators. So if you go ahead and click on it, it also shows like the instant reward, so I get an unlock token as well. But then you also get loading screens, decals, things like that. So the unlock token you can literally use on anything, whether it's a weapon or a score streak or a perk, anything like that. You're going to be able to use it, and then that's it. You'll be good to go. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe, and check out all our other Black Ops 7 videos on the channel.